I made my first 3 million naira at the age of 16. Here is how I do it because you can do it too. Then they go ahead to sell you courses that you can buy so that they will teach you how they made the 3 million naira. But I'm here to tell you that their actual way of making money is not what they taught you about the business. It's the money you paid them for that course. That's the actual money they are making. Everybody on TikTok is now earning 3 million naira, 500K for this economy. Just look at the person that is making the 3 million. Look, rate the person first. Let me tell you, as an Igbo person, anybody that is making 3 million naira monthly will not come outside and tell you about it. I'm telling you the fact. Even if they are to tell you, you must be somebody that is close to them, you must have paid them for that. They will not tell you that thing for free. It's a lie. Nobody will come out and make a video of them making 100K daily. It's a lie. Maybe it's not legit. I don't think so. As an Igbo person, it's a very big lie. Reason I'm so. Reason am. All those sponsored ads you're seeing on Facebook. DM, let me teach you how to make cake. That's the actual way of making money, not the cake. People should use your brain. Use your number 6.